This is the E minor 7 chord. Hey guys, Tom Fontana here from TheGuitarLesson.com, and today I'll teach you the E minor 7 chord, which might just be the easiest chord in the world, since all you need is to put your middle finger onto the 2nd fret of the A string and strum all your strings. Now, as always, you'll want to pick out your strings one by one to make sure that none of the strings are buzzing. And in case it is, just make sure your finger is up against the metal fret wire right there, all as far as you can put it, and it's not laying down like this. It needs to be arched up, so you'll be able to clear that open D string clearly, okay? Now we can use the chord on, chord off technique to practice the E minor 7 as well. So hold down your chord, strum, let go, put it back, let go, let go, chord on, chord off, chord on, chord off, chord on, chord off. And I'm sure you'll find this very easy with this chord. And that's how you play the E minor 7.